Hello gorgeous people! Welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you my super quick and easy recipe of penne pesto with chicken. The ingredients you will need are garlic, onion, shredded chicken that's already boiled, and cooked penne pasta, and of course Parmesan. Oh, I forgot to mention, a ready-made pesto is what I will be using in this recipe kasi sabi ko nga, quick and easy. And syempre, the usual extra virgin olive oil, pepper, and chili flakes. Now, on your heated pan and oil, put on your onion. And then, i-saute lang natin siya for a bit until maging translucent siya, and then we will add the onion. So, habang nagigisa ako, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. O, diba nakasegue si ate? Once the garlic is cooked, we can now add the boiled chicken. Yung chicken, binoil ko lang siya with salt and pepper kanina and shredded ko siya. I love shredding my chicken whenever I use penne, para yung mga shredded pieces pumapasok sa loob ng penne. So, every bite ng penne, may chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, we do not have to cook it for a long time. We just really need to blend the onion and garlic together. And then after that, we can add the salt and pepper. Since I am using extra virgin olive oil, mabilis siyang ma-dry out. So, I have to add a little para hindi masunog yung chicken. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, this is a quick and easy and super simple pesto pasta. So, I went for the bottled pesto, yung ready-made na. But of course, if you are doing this, make sure that you get the good quality pesto. Or if you have time, you can also do a pesto. A homemade pesto, you just need garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan, extra virgin olive oil, and basil. So comment down below if you want me to show you how to make a fresh pesto. As you can see at this point, hininaan ko na yung stove kasi since sabi ko nga luto naman na yung mga yan, we just really need to mix them all together. And as I always remind you sa mga pasta videos ko, always keep 1 cup of pasta water because later we will be using that. Now, I just added a bit of pasta water just to release yung mga dumikit na chicken doon sa pan para sa added flavor. And then, now we just have to add the cooked penne pasta. Now, it's time for us to add the cooked penne. And make sure that your pasta is always al dente. We just have to really mix it thoroughly para covered lahat siya ng pesto sauce. And for the final touches, we'll add the chili flakes and the Parmesan. See, as promised, it's so quick and easy. So there you go, you now have your pesto pasta with chicken. I hope you liked this video and please don't forget to share with your friends and let me know if you have tried it. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!